Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Safety of drinking water. Lead pipes under a recently announced EPA plan will have to be replaced over the next 10 years. But what can you do now? Some new research shows that many communities could see significant benefits through point-of-use filtration solutions. Dan Tudesco is head of community water systems at Brita.
So we at Brita here today work with over 200 communities on implementing point-of-use or pitcher filter solutions that anyone at home can run under a sink and feel confident that they're getting as big of a lead reduction benefit as possible. Our products are certified to reduce 99% of lead, and communities obviously want to make sure that their residents have every tool possible.
There's info on community water systems and more at Brita.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at C-Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at ccrane.com or just click on the link at Techstination.com.